Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a fresh repository on GitHub and leaving out a README to avoid merge conflicts. This makes pushing simpler. Open your project folder in VS Code and make sure Git is installed so VS Code can talk to GitHub. Once done, initialize a local repo with Git in it or use VS Code source control to initialize. This creates the Git folder. Make sure your main branch name matches GitHub or be ready to push a new branch. Now you stage and commit your work. In VS Code, click the source control icon and stage files or run git add. To stage everything, then commit with a concise message explaining this snapshot. Next, link your local repo to GitHub. Add the origin remote using the repo URL and verify with git remote v. Once linked, set the branch to push. You may need git branch main to match GitHub or use your branch name to ensure push succeeds without rejections. Finally, push your code to GitHub with git push u origin main or use VS Code's push button. The U flag set upstream so future pushes are simple. After pushing, refresh the GitHub repo page to confirm files and inspect the commit history. If Git rejects the push because remote has commits, pull first using git pull rebase or via VS Code, resolve any conflicts, commit the resolution, and then push again. This sequence prevents diverging histories and keeps your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.